Hello guys, today is December the 28th, 2016, and we are on a mission. The mission is to photograph the biggest cruise ship in the planet, the Harmony of the Seas, which is visiting San Juan Harbor today. Hopefully in a few minutes we're going to have that ship in focus and you will be able to see it as it leaves San Juan to the high seas. Right now I'm sitting at Paseo del Morro. This is the place that we're going to wait for the ship to cross the harbor and head to the ocean. We are right now hearing the sirens of Harmony of the Seas. That means that she's about to leave dock, and in a few minutes we should be able to see her crossing the harbor and heading out to sea. And remember, Paseo del Morro is the best place to photograph ships as they come and leave San Juan Harbor.